Futures on the US stock indexes are trading higher in anticipation of weekly updates on the US labor market. The US dollar index is trading mainly flat today. The greenback is extending weakness against the Canadian dollar. The Dow Jones gained 0.25%, the Nasdaq climbed 0.49% and the S&P 500 grew 0.31%. At present, the US equity market is driven by two main factors: the season of corporate earnings reports and the expectations of massive cash injections in the US economy, as investors are betting on a large-scale fiscal stimulus. During the American pre-market, the US Labor Department is due to release statistics on employment for the last week. Analysts project first-time claims for unemployment insurance to have declined by 22,000 in the previous week. Nevertheless, total filing for assistance remain at elevated levels. Investors hope this will confirm that the US economy urgently needs extra financial aid. Before the opening bell on Wall Street, another portion of top American companies like PepsiCo, Kraft Heinz, Tyson Foods and Kellogg will report on their quarterly earnings. Later tonight, Walt Disney is due to present its financial records. Recently, the lion's share of US companies unveiled financial results beyond expectations. Thus, the stock market has fundamental reasons for a steady rally. In the European session today, the US dollar was trading firmly at near two-week lows against the major currencies. The greenback is hurt by comments from Fed's chairman Jerome Powell. He reminded the market that the domestic economy needs a flexible monetary policy. The US dollar index, which tracks the greenback's value against a basket of 6 rival currencies, made a 0.1% uptick in the early American session. At the moment of preparing material for this video, the index slipped 0.14%. Now the index is trading at about 90.30. The US currency skidded 0.26% against its Canadian counterpart. The USD CAD pair is trading lower at near 1.2669. And yesterday, the US dollar advanced across the board, having neglected weak inflation data from the United States. Besides, the US dollar was unaffected by remarks from Jerome Powell, who stated that the central bank was not going to tighten monetary policy because there was still a long way to a full recovery of the labor market. In a nutshell, Powell wants to maintain interest rates at about zero until the US labor market reaches full employment and consumer inflation accelerates to 2%. That's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.